Last week I made a video about these G-Star bifacial solar panels. They're just leaning on the side of my house temporarily right now, but my plan is to put them on this porch here. I have 11 total that I'm gonna try to mount up there. Today I'm just gonna try and do the Unistrut layout and kind of bolt them down or screw them down with some lag screws, and then over the course of the week I'll try and do another video of the installation of the panels on the Unistrut. Hopefully my microphone works this time. I did this whole little spiel about 2 minutes ago, but the microphone wasn't on, so hopefully this one works. All right, real quick. I'm not sure if you can see this here. Each one of these Unistrut, I'm gonna have them hang off about a foot. Those are bifacial panels. Who knows if I'll get any bifacial gain by hanging them off a foot, but I'm gonna try it. See if there's any gain there. All right. On the porch here. My plan is to put 4 panels laying horizontally along this porch, and then I'll have 4 more behind it, and then 3 more behind those. Should be 11 total panels. Just basic Unistrut, 10 feet long, and I'm just gonna bolt them right now down with the lag screws. Try and get a close-up of kind of how I bolt them down, but it's pretty simple. Nothing major, no rocket science to this. All right, a little close-up here. You can, and sometimes I do measure just to make sure that I'm every 4 feet. There's a rafter here, but most of the time there's like already an indentation in the asphalt and it's kind of lumped over, so you really can't miss on this roof. But even if you do miss, just plug it up with this it's like asphalt shingle flashing. It's essentially what it is. Let's see here. I'm trying to do every 4 feet. Right about here. Just do a little pilot hole, and then I get some of this flashing here just to kind of seal it up. Nice little glob, washer, lag screw. I think these are like 2.5 inch lag screws, and the 7/16 socket. That's pretty much it. All right, this is the end product here. This porch is about 24 feet by 14 feet. Probably took about 2.5, 3 hours. I ended up using about 40 lag screws for all this. I think it's like 10 Unistrut that are 10 feet long. Had to make a few cuts on the Unistrut, but it's pretty easy here. Somewhere around here, I don't know if the rafter was bowed or what, but I ended up missing the rafter, made a little hole in the porch. All I did is plug it up with the asphalt flashing, and then drove another lag screw where the rafter was. Not too worried about a leak. I doubt there will be one. I've plugged up plenty of holes with the flashing, and I've never had a leak. I'd probably be more concerned about leaks if it was on my actual roof. Then I'd probably use a chalk line and be a little bit more exact. But this is just the porch, and like I said, I don't know if you can tell, but this is a pretty good example. I'll try and point it right here down the middle. There's an indentation, and that's where the rafters are. And so all along the roof here, there was these indentations. So it was kind of hard to miss. You can measure, but for the most part, every spot on the roof had a little indentation where the rafter was underneath. So it's pretty easy. Like I said, I think I drilled 40 lag screws, and out of 40, I think I missed 2 spots, but no biggie. All right, this is going to be the end product. Next time I try and load up a video, hopefully I'm throwing solar panels up here.